Hi Leo, I'm Anisha and this is your week 1 forecast for me. Leos, we start this week with Sun being in Taurus and it is going to be highlighting the area in your chart that has to do with your reputation, career, how it is that you're perceived by people, your career, opportunities and your general image in society. And it's going to be a great time. I think all of you have been having lovely time since the last month. There's been a lot of socializing, a lot of networking. You've been meeting people from across various fields and it has been a very enriching time for you. This week also it starts off a trend with your, whether it is promotions, whether it is success, and a lot of you are going to be getting accolades, honors, recognition, appreciation from your peers and from your bosses. On the 6th, we have a full moon in Scorpio, and this full moon is going to be focusing on the area in your chart that has to do with motivations, foundations, your values, and it is going to be asking you what is it that really motivates you, what is it that your really agenda is to be doing a certain thing. I think it is a great time for a lot of you to be sitting and actually evaluating what is it in the long term that works for you, what are the benefits that you would derive out of a certain partnership, and what is it that your agenda is in doing that particular project. The Scorpio full moon is all about emotional truth. There's nothing soft or very light about Scorpio. It's a very, very intense zodiac, and it also wants to know everything in detail and the absolute truth. So be very clear in your partnerships, be very clear in your dealings. So have a great week. I'll see you again next week, and thank you so much for watching.